Welcome to Module 3, Install Your Pipeline and Follow-Up Machine. I'm Leviticus Rich, your high-leverage trainer. Today, we're ensuring that every legitimate lead has a clear place in your pipeline and a defined next action. We are moving from accidental storage to intentional management. Most real estate agents aren't managing leads, they're storing them. They have contacts in their CRM, their phone, and their inbox, but no clear system for what happens next. This lesson explains that working harder inside a disorganized business usually creates more chaos, not more income. We're here to build a reliable system. In our first two modules, we installed your operating system and your lead gen framework. Now, we're building the machine that handles the results of that lead gen. We're going to ensure no qualified opportunity exists only in your memory or scattered notes. We're building a machine that produces predictable results every single week. Our objective is for every active lead to have a category, qualification info, a next action, and a next contact date. We'll cover lead centralization, follow-up cadences, and the weekly pipeline power hour. This is your roadmap to total control over your business. Step 1 is to gather every existing lead. You likely have contacts scattered across your CRM, phone contacts, text messages, social media DMs, and even handwritten notes from open houses. Your first task is to place every legitimate contact into one centralized source of truth. Scour every source. Check your referral partners, past clients, and even those old paper notes. If someone is a potential client, they belong in your centralized CRM. One centralized system is the only way to ensure that no opportunity is ever forgotten or ignored. Step 2 is to clean and categorize your database. Remove any duplicate records and update any missing information. Once your data is clean, we need to know who is ready to move now and who requires more long-term decision-making support. Place each lead into one of three categories: ready now, for those with clear motivation; warm but unsure, for those needing more information or preparation; and long-term nurture for future potential. This allows you to allocate your energy where the revenue is most likely to be created first. Step 3 is adding the 5 required qualification fields. To manage a lead effectively, you must understand the math and the psychology behind their move. Every active lead in your system should answer 5 specific questions. You need to know, what is their timeline? Why are they moving now? What obstacles could prevent them from moving? Who else is involved in the decision? And crucially, what is the next agreed upon action? Every lead must also have a next contact date. Without it, you aren't managing the lead, you're just storing it. Step 4 is creating a follow-up cadence. We want to remove the guesswork from your day. By developing a simple, repeatable cadence for each category, you ensure that you are providing value at the exact frequency your prospects need. A ready now lead gets high-frequency contact, including personal reach-outs and resources within the first few days. A warm lead might receive one personalized message each week, along with relevant market updates or case studies. This structured approach builds trust and authority without overwhelming the prospect. Step 5 is about communication quality. You must replace just checking in. Empty follow-ups that merely ask if they've thought about it are a waste of time. Your messages must provide useful information, reduce uncertainty, or introduce new opportunities. I want you to write 9 reusable messages, 3 for each category. Each one should strengthen the relationship or answer a common objection. If you struggle with ideas, look at why your prospects aren't ready yet. Maybe it's debt, credit, or confusion about the process. Address those problems directly in your follow-up. Here is your massive competitive advantage. Use AI tools like Claude or ChatGPT to generate these messages. They can create a full year's worth of custom, value-based content in seconds. Most agents have no idea these tools exist, giving you a huge lead without the extra effort. Tools like Microsoft Notebook LLM can address endless questions and solve specific problems for your target demographic. This is high-leverage content creation. If you need help using these tools to build your follow-up machine, contact me directly and we'll set it up. Step 6 is installing a weekly pipeline power hour. This is one recurring hour placed firmly in your planner, dedicated solely to reviewing the health of your machine. This is where we ensure no lead is left behind. During this hour, you check on everyone: active clients who need updates, warm leads whose circumstances may have changed, and prospects who have received value but haven't been invited to take the next step. If you protect this hour, you protect your pipeline. Step 7 is establishing your pipeline metrics. We measure our performance so we can improve it. We want to reduce the number of opportunities lost due to slow responses, weak qualification, or inconsistent communication. Data is our guide. Track your average response time, your appointment show rate, and the number of days a lead remains in each stage. These numbers take the emotion out of your business and tell you exactly where the system needs adjustment. When you have the data, you have the leverage. To recap, gather your leads into one system, categorize them by readiness, qualify them with precision using the 5 fields, and protect your weekly power hour. You are now moving from reactive storage to intentional high-leverage management. Your assignment is to complete the 7 steps to install your follow-up machine. Centralize your leads and build your ideal weekly schedule today. Stop asking, "Do I have time?" and start asking, "Is this activity worth what I am paying for it with my time?" I'll see you in Module 4.